Today we visited some local communities that were wonderful in the village of Lenteng Agung.
So, wait.
Nice.
It's wonderful flavor. I bought a box. I want to bring it to Italy so my friend can taste it. We performed a little concert, and that was very beautiful because for the first time I realized how important is culture for the welfare and the well-being of people. And I think this is a lesson that I will bring home in Milan with me.